eat it or taste it and see, just taste what it tastes like, know what it tastes like. It's a little drop from Jemima. Who is Jemima? Hey lovelies, thank you for stopping by. If you're a returning subscriber, you probably can tell that it's our first food video. Yay! I'm so excited, yeah. If you're seeing this channel for the first time, you're coming across latest drops from Jemima, yeah. On this YouTube channel, we discuss matters on spiritual growth, personal development, and food blog. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, comment, share, and check every other video, watch every other video basically. Okay, so there's this idea that I've been having for a while. Sometimes these things just come to mind, like, oh, can I just try this out? What would it taste like? Or what would it be like? Yeah. And then one time like that, I went out to get something, then I came across this Milo 3 in 1. I'm like, okay, I would like to taste this. Like, is it as good as the Cadbury 3 in 1? So I thought, okay, why not try it with, this idea I've been having for a long time, and then it would make the perfect breakfast. That's if the Milo 3 in 1 turned out well. Okay, so for this idea that I've been having, we need bananas, eggs, pepper, butter, Milo 3 in 1, obviously, bread slices, salt, Maggi. Yeah, that's that. I would have also loved to include scotch bonnet, that's atarudu, but I did not. Maybe next time, I'll add it. Like next time I try it, I'll add it. Okay, so we'll break the eggs into a bowl. I'm using a flat bowl, a flat wide bowl, because of what I want to do, right? So we had Cameroon pepper. You can add any other pepper as you wish, and I'm adding quite a lot of Cameroon pepper because I love eating pepper. So you whisk everything together, and yeah, we have this. Okay, on another hand, you dice bananas. That is your bananas. You can decide to cut it into cubes, however you want, right? Then add the diced bananas into the egg mixture. Whisk everything together with the bananas and the eggs and everything. Whisk together. You can decide to also mash some of the bananas. I added salt. I added cube of Maggi. I think I added only half of the cube of the Maggi. Yeah, I added half. Then whisk everything together again. Yep. Okay. On the other hand, or in some other news, you butter one side of each of 4 slices of bread. Like, don't butter the 2 sides, just one side of the slices of bread basically. And after doing that, you put it aside and pick out another set of sliced bread. You dip the plain slices into the egg mixture. Yes, dip into the egg mixture, turn to the other side, and just make sure that the eggs are sitting well. Okay, so after soaking it, you bring out this bread that was diced into the egg mixture, place it on one of the sliced bread, pick out some bananas and place it on the bread that was dipped into the egg mixture. Place it on the side that was not buttered, and then you cover it with another bread that was buttered. Basically, let the parts that are facing the outer walls, let it be buttered basically. Repeat the same process for the second slice of bread. Yeah. Okay, so we have this. Yeah, we have this. Okay, bring out your toaster. I'm using a small toaster because that's what we have here, and besides, I'm not doing anything extreme. So we have this. Yeah, clean the surface of the toaster. Yeah, clean the surface of your toaster, and then place each of the bread, is a sandwich, yeah, place it on, the toaster surfaces. Make sure that the sides that are touching the toaster surfaces are buttered. Basically, that's what I was trying to explain earlier. Well, after about 5 to 7 minutes, we have this. Okay, I think it's safe to say this was, just a little bit of a fail. I think this one that was, opened, it was opened because I think it was too soaked in the egg mixture. I think that's the one that was too soaked in the egg mixture. That was the first one that we dipped into the egg mixture. So it was probably too soaked, right? I think that's why it's like this, right? Why do you think it's like this? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, please let me know in the comments. What do you think? But then I think that it looks delicious. I think it looks very nice and sweet and crunchy and crispy, and like looking at it right now, I feel like let me eat it. But then okay. Alright, in some other news, we have our Milo 3-in-1, right? We cut it open, pour into your cup, and just like the Cadbury 3-in-1, just add hot water. Stir it together, basically. You stir it together. And yeah, we have our food ready. Our breakfast is ready. Our perfect breakfast is ready. Okay, so our perfect breakfast is ready. Let's try it out and know what it tastes like. Let's know if it's a total fail. And yeah, I'm excited to eat. Like, I'm very excited to eat. So we have this, yeah, this. Well, I think this looks beautiful. I think it looks nice, yeah, right. Well, okay. Well, honestly, yeah, tasting it, I think it tastes really good. Like I can feel the banana, the what's it called, the eggs are well done inside. Like, it's not tasting like raw egg. Yeah, I think it actually tastes really nice. The only thing is that I feel like I would have probably added more Cameroon pepper, because for me it's not peppery enough, or it's not spicy enough. Yeah, I think it is really good. Honestly, you can try it out and let me know, what it tastes like, or you'll have to comment in the comments. And then for the Milo 3-in-1, I think that it actually like complements, the Cadbury 3-in-1. Yeah, it actually tastes good. It actually tastes good. Initially, I was already thinking that would they eat it? If they don't, I'll be like, I'm sorry, I'm not trying to spoil your market, but you guys will not do it well. But honestly, it is, as good as the Cadbury 3-in-1. Okay, so that's all. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not, share this video, like let everybody see my experiment, Jemima's experiment, little drop from Jemima's experiment, yeah. And then comment too, like whatever you think, just comment. Why do you think it failed, halfway? Why do you think it failed, basically? And you can also try it out and let me know your outcome. Okay, so bye.